Hi, Wendy Dennis of Wakefield Farmers Market here, and this is a frozen steak from Lilac Hedge Farm, and that's how they come. But you don't need to defrost it before you cook it. So on 4th of July, if you want to pick up some steaks to have later in the day, just bring them home, keep them in the freezer, and put them right on the grill. I'm going to show you how my husband Steve does it on the grill, but right now I'm going to show you. So what we do is the steak goes right on the grill as is, and once it gets going, Steve bastes it, and I melt some butter. This is unsalted butter. You could use salted. And I use this mix of things. You melt the butter and then stir these things into it. I'll put the proportions down on the website. Actually, what I'm doing is Bondat Food used to have this wonderful chocolate kind of whatever basty thing. So this is kind of simulating it. Not really, but close enough. But it works. Anyway, so I put these things in. I grind up the rosemary and the sriracha. So I melt the butter, add in these spices, and then I'll send it out to Steve with his implements of grilling, and wait till you see it. This within 15 minutes becomes an amazing, or maybe 20, whatever. I don't grill, he does, but it works. You don't have to defrost it. So anytime you're at a farmer's market and the meat's frozen, if it's steak, grab it and have it right away. No need to defrost. Okay, so here's the frozen steak, put on by Steve, right on there. And that's just going to go for what, 5 minutes, right?
Correct.
High temperature. There we go. And here, I'll give you a cute shot of the dog while we're waiting. Okay, I will video again once we're doing the next step. Okay, we're doing the first flip after 5 minutes, and I will put the proportions of the spices in the baste on the website. Actually, about a quarter teaspoon each. Ooh, that looks good. Can you believe that came from frozen? Okay, another 5 minutes, and then it's going to go on the upper rack. And that was Steve's hands, and the dog is getting bored. Okay, here we are. It is time. Oh, the super TV's on. Okay, well, whatever, that's all right. Flipping it onto the top rack. Then we're going to turn off the TV. Thank you, Steve. And thanks, Steve. He's not dead yet. And a final base. It's final base, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I usually like to use a little bit more base, but 2 tastes.
Oh, well, that's enough. Okay, maybe put 1.5 tablespoons of butter for this big steak. It's 1.5. What is it? A pound and a half an ounce.
Watch out for fat fires.
Yep.
They can get away pretty quick.
Okay, so now it's just going to go for what?
I'm doing 5 minutes. I'm going to check the temperature.
Okay, and then after that, you just keep checking to how you like it, because it can get really high temperature really fast. Okay, it's time to check it. What's the temperature?
104.
So don't get frightened, because that can go up really high, really fast. Yes, always check.
This one's a little less. It's a 106. So
yeah. Okay.
We're on for another few minutes. It doesn't take long.
So you have to check it carefully. Keep checking it. I know our grill's gross, but
right now.
okay. We're videoing.
We're up to temperature.
Oh, was that about 3
there.
minutes?
And,
Okay, we're done.
We shut the heat down and we take it off into the receiver, please.
Receptacle. Okay. Okay, we don't need a video anymore.
That's my sous right there.
I'm the sous chef.
Okay, so that took 8 minutes on the upper rack.
All right, there you go. Time will vary for weight and temperature of the grill, but that's it. But wait, look, we need a full. He's not dead yet, but he doesn't understand why he didn't get any steak.